This is an address book file from older Coral or Parsons software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the context. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality AB2 file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. An AB2 file is an address book file created by Parsons technology software. It stores contact information, including names, addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses. AB2 files are used to manage and organize personal or business contacts within the Parsons software environment, providing a structured way to access and update contact details. AB2 files are designed to store structured contact data. The file format includes fields for various contact attributes, such as first name, last name, address, and phone number. The format allows for efficient searching and sorting of contacts. The specific structure may vary depending on the version of the Parsons software used. The common standard viewer for AB2 is typically Parsons Address Book from Parsons Technology. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows shows limited internal detail, so proper reading depends on the program designed for that format. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the AB2 file and click Open With. Test Parsons Address Book first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. When your AB2 file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The AB2 file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, use Address Book 7. Open the file using the Address Book 7 software, formerly by Parsons Technology, to view your saved mailing lists and contacts. Next, open in Notepad++. Right-click the file and open it in a text editor like Notepad++ to see if the contact information is stored in a readable text format. Finally, search for Parsons. If you cannot open it, check the file's text for Parsons Technology to confirm it is an old database file requiring legacy software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.